Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So I'll be continuing with the video of configurations of pie chart. In my previous video I have shown you how you can create a 3D pie chart and how to add slicing to it. So I'll be continuing from there only. So if you want to have a 3D pie chart, so just go and watch my previous video. So I'll be also providing link in the description so you can watch from there as well. So now let's start. So in my previous video I have shown you slices for first and third slice, and now in this video I will show you how to color the slices. So for color you just need to pass slices with color option. You can pass your own choice. Here you can see it's yellow and transparent. So now let's go and apply this. So with offset you can pass this color transparent. Now let's go and refresh browser. So you can see truck is you can see it's visible, but now as its color is transparent, so it's not visible here. So now next I'm going to show you is slice visibility threshold. So it will take a percentage. So if you are passing 0.025, so it will be basically 2.5 percentage of the chart. What it will do, it will like combine all the slices that are below this percentage and combine that as a other. So to combine all the slices into others, so we will be using slice visibility threshold. Here you can see its value is zero point 0.2. So let's copy and we are going to paste this in our code. So now let's go and check in browser. So refresh and you can see there is one other slice that is added in our pie chart. And you can see now it's having 4 slices, but before, let me show you before one. So let me just comment this and my browser just duplicate this same slice and now refresh basically. So you can see right now I am having 5 slices, but after adding slice visibility threshold you can see I have just only 4 slices in my pie chart. So you can see car is having percentage 14, that is below our threshold, that is 20%. And if you will see truck is also having 6%, so that is also less than 20%. Other, you can see bus is having greater than threshold, so that will not be combined. And sports car is 21%. Bike is also having greater value, so these will not be combined, but car and truck will be combined and will show as other slice in our pie chart. So now let me remove the comment and let's say just pass zero point 0.3 value as my threshold, and now let's go and refresh. So you can see only bike is there and other combined as other slice. So as bike is having greater value than threshold, other are smaller than this, so they combined as one slice, that is other. So now next I'm gonna show you is ligand basically, so that you can see on the right hand side that you can see bike and other. So you can position them. So you can see in documentation you can see position top, text style you can give them, font size you can give them. So now let's go and copy this and I'm going to include this in my code. So right ligand and paste the options. So now let's go and refresh our browser. So refresh. Now you can see bike and other is now on the top of the graph, not on the right hand side. And you can see its color also change as I have defined color blue and font size to 16. So you can see the difference how before and after ligands are placed and how their text style is changed. So you can also apply some other options. There are so many options available. So I have shown you some basic configurations of pie chart in this video. You can apply these and customize your pie chart. So let me know in the comment section if you want any specific configurations for pie chart. So that's all in this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.